Fitch token holders, my friends. How did you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. What's going on in the Fitch token? In this video we are going to discuss the FEG token and this time in the market. What will be the next move of Fitch token? Let's see, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. And absolutely this video is going to be special for all holders of the Fitch token, my friends. Now first of all, my friends, if we talk about the price of the Fitch token, so you can see here that now the price of the Fitch token is very low, my friends. So now at this time, first of all, that's really a big opportunity, a greatest opportunity for all of you, that please invest more and more in the Fitch token, because the price of Fitch token is very low, my friends. So everybody can easily invest in a Fitch token, and I really recommend for all of you to please invest now in a Fitch token, because you can see here, my friends, the price of the Fitch token is low. And other hand, my friends, you can see 13.21% the price pump, the price increase. So that's already a biggest opportunity for you to get profit from a cryptocurrencies market, especially for short-term investor. Buy a Fitch token, my friends, and make a profit with the Fitch token. Let me show you more details about the Fitch token, my friends. Absolutely nowadays the Fitch token is the trending token in a cryptocurrencies market. You can see the price changes is going good, and you can see the mostly people invest in a Fitch token because the price of Fitch token is very low. 12.44% the Fitch token trading volume is going to increase. So that's why the people start investing in a Fitch token, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Fitch token? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.